guys, welcome to again my YouTube channel Cooking Star Fast Food Empire. This is the latest game available now, and I will show you like we completely to be begin to play Cooking Star play game and the complete to be 40 level after the completing the target even receive the reward. So guys, as 40 to 80 levels complete now how to be complete on this game level, so I will be completely teach you how to be complete now, and I hope you will be enjoy my video. And please, I request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be helping to you be completely watching my video and subscribe now also to my YouTube channel. So let's start this game, and I will be already download this game. I will show you guys. You will be checking now Cooking Star Fast Food Empire. This is the latest and so interesting this game, and I will be completely tell you how to be complete to be this game levels meters. So just I will be explain you how to be complete now easily, because many of people sometimes not to be understand. So I want to be teach you how to complete to be this game levels fast food. Okay, so everything so much easily now. Only you will be coming here and some of purchasing and going to cooking your okay. Okay, thank you. Full off now, and you will be checking on your customer words what like your customer needed want. Okay, okay, thank you. Purchasing now, purchasing now. Okay, okay, go to be here also. Okay, full off now, and then receiving. Okay, okay, collect now, and you checking now on my levels to be complete now. I will go back again on my customer modes. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Everything so much easily now. Only you will be receiving your money, then you go to cooking. Okay, fall off now. I go to here and I give to be there also. Okay, I go to my customer outstation. Okay, full off now. Okay, new coming my. Okay, go to be here. And level up now. X to collecting on only watching one of ads, you will be collecting to be more than coins. Okay, okay guys, so many of customer come here and are receiving to my. Okay, I go to be here also. Okay, I'm again to the view here this. Oh sorry, this man want to be chips. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, go to be here, and I will be go move back. So many of customer, many of demands. Okay, I will be go again and come here, levels up. Okay, too many customer come here. Okay, I'm again go to be here, and I will go here be. Okay, thank you. Again I am coming here, try to be this, go to be here. Okay, okay.